While retaining existing customers, the important thing is to bring in new customers to our sales. But many organizations and salespeople find it difficult to bring in new customers. Why it is so? What can we do to overcome that? The real reason for new business not coming in is the prospecting is unknown, or maybe it's because of a fear of cold calling. We have to identify our teams or representatives' problem. We can't go ahead with only existing customers because competitors are behind new customers. We can't pretend like we don't see it. So, what should we do to generate new business? First one is set a target. Set a new business target every month, just like a sales target. Second one is create reports. One of the existing customers and one of new customers. Based on that, we can incentivize it. If we give 5% of incentive to the existing customers, we must give 1% to new customers so that they will be motivated to bring in new business to our company. Third one is cold calling. We have to fix a certain time every day to make a cold call. We should strictly follow whoever is called and how much they have converted. After a while, it becomes a routine for them. So set a minimum time every day in the morning for cold calling. Sometimes we understand that our staff are afraid to call the customers. We can give them the skills, training, or buying related books to overcome it. In this way, we can help and support them. Make them understand that the need of a new business. We should identify why they have fear to bring in new business and overcome that through setting the target for the new business.